What's up, guys? I wanted to share this project with you because sometimes things don't go exactly according to plan. So we've got this beautiful Rolls-Royce Dawn. I think this car's a 2017, and what happened is it came in to us to get a ceramic coating. The car showed up and it has a full paint protection film wrap on it already, which the customer was aware of. The problem with that is there's a lot of micro scratches and damage in the film. You can polish film. We've done it before. There's a video we did on a black Ferrari that had film on it, and we polished it, and it came out really, really good. So we gave that a shot on this one. Unfortunately, that didn't work in this case. So what do? Right behind John, we've got Blake removing film. So the customer decided he just wants to remove all of the wrap completely. Now, we don't know who did it. They did a pretty good job. There's some areas here and there that aren't perfect, but it's pretty good. We don't know what film it is, but basically we're gonna remove all the film on this because polishing it didn't work. We're gonna polish the paint and we're gonna coat just the paint. The customer decided not to do paint protection film again. So I just wanted to share that with you. Sometimes we get thrown a curveball and we have to come up with a new solution. So this Rolls-Royce project just keeps changing on us, so we're rolling with the punches. Now, the customer has decided that he wants to instead proceed with the full wrap again, which is obviously great for us. We think it's the best decision on a car like this to get the entire thing protected again. So Blake is currently removing the adhesive. We're gonna be wrapping this whole thing up and then installing a ceramic coating on top. So the Rolls-Royce project keeps getting bigger.
And there it is, guys. The Rolls-Royce, totally PPF, coated with XPEL Fusion. Wheels, inside of the barrels, windows, everything is protected on this vehicle. There should be no kind of problems with it daily driving down the road. It's protected, it looks great. The color is phenomenal. You should see it out in the sunlight. And if you guys do me one more favor and smash that like button on this video if you liked what you saw today, and stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like this on rare cars. Thank you for watching.